Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reboot and refresh your internet settings on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! The ability to quickly reset your Wi-Fi settings is very good for troubleshooting any kinds of issues you might have with your Wi-Fi. First of all, you want to expand your control center. Then, press and hold onto the internet icon. And as you can see, we have one network that we are connected to. However, you want to ignore the network and instead we want to click that button in the top right corner. And now we are resetting our internet. For a moment we'll lose the internet access, but it should be back in about a couple of seconds. And that's literally it. This is the same thing that you would have achieved if you would just restart your phone like that, but instead of resetting everything, you're just resetting the Wi-Fi, which I believe is very, very cool. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.